Hello and a very warm welcome to this Karatbars presentation. I am a Gold Director, VIP Business Partner, and I've been with the company for over 5 years. In that time, Karatbars has been my sole source of income, and it's been a pleasure to be part of the Karatbars family. This video can be used by all Karatbars business partners, and if you decide to join us today, you can use it too. I want to show you why getting started with Karatbars in 2018 is such an amazing opportunity and how easy it is to start earning today. I will lay everything out in clear steps, but feel free to watch it a few times if you need to. If you have any questions, please get back in touch with the person who told you about this video. From 2011 until 2018, Karatbars was primarily a gold company selling physical gold and gold-based products. Throughout the course of 2018, the company has grown and incorporated cryptocurrency, blockchain, and new technologies into the business. I will begin by explaining a little bit about Karatbars.com and why owning gold is so important. I will then explain our new cryptocurrency, CryptoBank, and show you how everything works together. Our CEO, founder and visionary of the company is Mr. Harold Seitz, who started the business back in 2011. His mission, and still is, to produce the highest quality gold available in the market, make it easily accessible to the masses of honest people around the world at a price point everyone can afford. His goal is that Karatbars helps millions find financial freedom from the current system of debt. Harold is also a senator of the Global Economic Network, Overseas Trade Association, the BWA, a member of the Economic Council, a published author, and a public speaker. Over the years, Karatbars' reputation has grown and many wonderful business partners have developed with other leading brands. Some of these include Real Madrid FC, FedEx, who complete Karatbars deliveries, MasterCard, who service payments to all affiliates every Friday, Monaco Grand Prix, Hollywood Stars, and MotoGP. In 2018, most people know that we are living in a debt-based society. Debt is higher now than it has ever been. People are worse off than the last generation for the first time in history, and life is getting harder. The IMF have announced in October 2018 that the world is on the brink of another financial crash. So what has that got to do with you, gold, or Karatbars International? Let me quickly show you. Now, banks won't like me telling you this, but did you know that gold has increased in value against most currencies by around about 10% per year for the past 16 years? Did you also know that at least 60% of all the gold in all the world is held by central banks? Now, if the penny hasn't dropped yet, let me put it like this. You put your money in the bank, they buy gold, they get 10%, and you get 1% if you're lucky. That's a great deal for the bank and a bad one for you. The problem is 99% of the population don't have any gold, and that's exactly how the rich, how banks and governments like it to be. Most people wouldn't know where to buy gold, they think they can't afford it, and they wouldn't know how to sell it even if they had it. Now think about it, would you fall into that category? Karatbars, through Harold Seitz, have come up with a solution that means the 99%, that's you and me, can afford gold, can easily buy it and easily turn it back into cash if we need to. So let's look at the gold itself. It's 24 karat 999.9 pure bullion, the same type that you get in central banks. It comes with a certificate of authenticity, an affordable 0.1 gram to 6 gram weights. It's from an LBMA accredited refinery, has a security hologram, blacklight technology, the Karatbars logo on the gold itself, and a unique DNA marker which can be read by machine. Practically fraud proof, which is important when buying gold. For convenience, Karatbars offers free storage for as long as you wish, FedEx delivery to over 120 countries, and a huge choice of payments including credit, debit card, bank wire, and Bitcoin. So buying the highest quality gold in small amounts is now easy. But let's look at how flexible it is once you have purchased it. Of course you can have it delivered, and once you get your first delivery you will want many more. 5 years have taught me that saving is just as addictive as spending once you start. Free storage, keeping it digitally is an option if you have nowhere secure to keep it at home. If you want to transfer your digital gold to someone else or pay someone using gold, it's quick and easy using the free KaratPay app. Some businesses are already accepting KaratPay in the same way they would accept Apple Pay or Google Pay, and the number of acceptance points will only grow in the years ahead. So let's look at the price of Karatbars cash gold so you can see how Karatbars has made owning gold affordable to all. The fantastic 0.1 gram paper note starts at approximately €4, that's £3.55 or $4.61. A 0.2 gram note is €8 and so on up to 0.6 grams. Buy as many as you wish whenever you wish. There is a 85 cents production fee if you wish to have the note physically made and delivered. There are no fees if you wish to keep your notes digitally. Next we have the 1 gram, 3 gram and 6 gram cards. These are credit card sized and the pricing is the same as the 1 gram. For example, it's €40 for 1 gram, €120 for 3 gram, €240 for 6 gram. There are no production fees on the cards. Now when someone gets paid every week, they can take out their phone, they can buy some cash gold and pay themselves first. Easy access to gold is a reality for everyone. So now you know what cash gold is. Let's take a look at how it is made and introduce you to Harold.
First,
Now you know how to get your gold, let's move on to the new part of the business, which is blockchain and cryptocurrency. I will briefly cover it here, but I highly recommend that you type blockchain explained into YouTube and check out some of the excellent short explainer videos there. So let's take a look at some of the problems blockchain can fix that you will be aware of. Have you ever sent money and had to pay large fees for the privilege? Have you ever waited days for funds to clear? In 2018, do you think that's right? Have you ever worried about your online funds or documents being used or stolen by third parties? Well, that's where blockchain comes in. Let's look at what blockchain does in simple terms. Instead of sending money or information through a bank or third party, you send it directly and safely to the intended person. It's done safely because the data is not verified by one person or institution, but by many computers instantaneously, and the information is preserved in a public ledger and block. The trust factor is shared by many, and the information is public, so fraud and interference becomes almost impossible. So, what can blockchain be used for? The obvious application is for currency, and the one we all know about is Bitcoin. Blockchain can also be used in the automotive industry, to regulate voting, to keep healthcare records, and to ensure no one can steal someone else's land. In everyday terms, blockchain could have a bigger impact on all our lives than smartphones or even the internet. There are now over 2,000 cryptocurrencies, and these are traded every day on over 100 exchanges. As you can see from the chart, these exchanges trade hundreds of millions of dollars every day in transactions, making the owners of these exchanges huge profits. The issue remains, however, that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have a problem shared with the dollar, euros, pounds, etc., and that they are not backed by any physical asset. Everyone knows how the price of one Bitcoin has risen thousands of dollars per coin when backed by absolutely nothing. Imagine if there was a cryptocurrency that was backed by something, like maybe gold. Enter stage Harold Cites, Karatbars and the new Karatbars cryptocurrencies. There are two coins, KBC and KCB. The first was Gold coin KBC, which was created in early 2018 and completely sold out by April. 12 billion coins were allocated, raising over $100 million. KBC is already traded in 4 major crypto exchanges. KBC is the asset coin, which is backed by physical gold, the first 135 kilos of which I personally witnessed in the safe in Hong Kong in September. Following this huge success and the acquisition of a bank, a second coin called KCB was created. 50 billion KCB are for sale until September 2019, and any unsold coins will be burned. KCB is the bank coin, which is therefore backed by the bank and all associated future businesses. During 2018, Karatbars opened offices in new countries, restructured the business, and the vision became much bigger. The bank in Miami was acquired with $100 million share capital, a mine with $900 million of precious metals was purchased, our own blockchain and exchange started to be developed. Now let me explain why all this was necessary. What do you think is the best way to ensure that you cannot be closed down in a jurisdiction? The answer: be present in many. How do you ensure the supply of gold that you need? Own the gold mine. Ensure that your customers can exchange coins to gold to fiat and back easily. Own the exchange. How do you ensure that the banks don't block your customers' transactions? Own the bank and the ATMs. And how do you ensure that you have the correct amount and type of cryptocurrency? You create the coins. And 6, how do you ensure that you have a blockchain that suits your needs? Well, you create the blockchain. By controlling the entire supply chain, Karatbars can truly remain free and independent, ensuring the safety and continuity of assets for its customers, unrestricted by third-party interference. So let's have a look at the story so far.
The next step into a golden success story is done. June 2018, Carat Coin Bank, the licensed bank and the world's first cryptocurrency bank, is established in Miami with $100 million share capital. July 2018, mobile app to manage the gold-covered payment system is created. August 2018, gold mine in Madagascar providing gold reserves of $1.1 billion is bought. September 2018, the first deposit of 135 kilograms pure gold is laid down. October 2018, the Carat Gold Coin cryptocurrency exchange to be opened. December 2018, listing of coin on more major exchanges such as CoinSuper and HitBTC. Number of acceptance partners to be increased over 540,000. By 2020, market capitalization will reach $500 million. Only a few months have passed since the ICO was completed. Development rates and perspectives are quite impressive, aren't they? Carat Gold Coin ICO is perfectly completed now, which confirms the fact that nothing is as reliable and prosperity guaranteed as gold. Congratulations to all ICO participants, and thank you for your trust. Carat Gold Coin ICO has raised over $100 million, becoming one of the largest in the history. We went further. We created our own app wallet, so you can send and receive Ethereum and KBC tokens instantly with anyone in the world. In case you've missed the chance to take part in the ICO, feel free to join our success story by purchasing KBC on major exchanges. We don't dream the future. We create our future already now.
As you can see, it's been remarkable what's happened in only a few short months. So to summarize Karatbars and Carat Gold so far, we have the return of an asset-based currency with Cash Gold and CaratPay. It's not currency backed by gold, it's currency which is gold. The first cryptocurrency backed by physical gold in a vault. The world's first cryptocurrency bank with customer accounts and ATMs. An exchange where gold, fiat currency and all cryptocurrency can be traded. And coming soon, smartphone, digital exchange and further new technologies. Now this is wonderful for Karatbars, but let's look at what this can mean to you in your life. You may have missed out on Amazon, Facebook or Google shares, and you may have missed out on buying Bitcoin in 2010, but you're not going to miss out this time. You were lucky, blessed or just fortunate enough to be asked to watch this video today. I know because someone asked me to watch a Karatbars video back in 2013 and my life has been transformed since. So let me show you how you can take advantage of this massive opportunity so you don't miss out. Firstly, you can earn by promoting Cash Gold and Karatbars products as affiliates have been doing since 2011. You can earn by promoting our 2 cryptocurrency coins. There's still months left to do that. In the coming months and years, you can earn by promoting the bank, the new exchange, blockchain phone and other technologies that are being developed. How you do all that is by sharing this video